This is BB Venture. I'm here to train you on how to mold your leather fascinator. You need your mold, you need your leather, you need cinnamon or paper mat that you are going to use to cover the back. You need your stiffener, your pen, you need your brush, your cream, scissors and tape rule. You take your leather. The size of the leather that I want to use this morning is 11 by 14. Then the same thing with the cinnamon. If you want to mold leather fascinator, you need to put your cinnamon or your paper mat under it. The reason is that so that when you put your stiffener, it will be able to work perfectly on it. Now what I'm going to do is that you take your stiffener. Look at the stiffener. The stiffener is thick. I'm going to mix it with small light stiffener so that it will not be too thick. It must not be too thick. You mix it. And after mixing it, you take your brush. Use your stiffener to rub the leather. The size of the leather that you want to use, you use your stiffener to rub it. And the reason for this, so that it can gum on the cinnamon. If you don't put stiffener on your leather, it will not bring the shape of the fascinator. You can see it. Rub your cream on your mold. After that, take your cinnamon, place it on the leather that you put. Use your hand to rub it together, or you can use the same brush to do it with your stiffener. And place your mold. The next thing now is to mold it round. Just use your pen to pin it round. see, this is how to mold your leather fascinator, whether big or small. Thank you.